Okay. Good evening, sir, or good evening, ma'am. This is Soumyajit Das. I am a physics faculty. I have done my graduation from IIT Kharagpur. Currently, I am teaching at Sri Chaitanya, Hyderabad. I have taught the entire part of physics, and I have produced many good ranks in IITJ. I am in this field from last 12 years. I have passed out from IIT Kharagpur in 2011. After that, I have been teaching. Okay. So I want to start this demo lecture, and I am going to present or going to give lecture on the topic that is friction between two moving bodies. Okay. I don't have that whiteboard. I can represent entire thing in the detail board. Okay. So let me start. So we know that we have a misconception that friction is a force which opposes motion, but friction is a force which opposes relative motion. It can help motion, it can oppose motion, but it will oppose the relative motion. So I am going to discuss friction between two moving bodies. Suppose we have two bodies. This is 4 kg. This is 2 kg. And friction between them is mu is equal to 0.2. And the ground is supposed to mu is equal to 0. So we want to find the maximum horizontal force that can be applied on lower body and upper body, so that they move together without sliding. Okay. Now, very simple thing. If I apply force on 2 kg body, 2 kg can easily move. Why the 4 kg body will move? Due to friction. If friction is not present, what will happen? 2 kg body will move, 4 kg will remain at rest, and after some time 4 kg block will fall. So friction helps the motion of 4 kg, opposes the motion of 2 kg. Similarly, if I apply force on 4 kg, 4 kg will move forward. Why 2 kg mass will move? Due to friction. And if friction is not there, what will happen? 4 kg will move, and after some time it will fall down from the 2 kg, but 2 kg will not move. So friction is a force which can help the motion or which can oppose the motion, but it always opposes relative motion or its tendency. So in this example, we want to find the maximum force that we can apply on the lower body, or the maximum force which we can apply on the other body, upper body, so that they move together. Let's come to case 1. This is the upper body 4 kg, and we know that what is the maximum value of friction? F max is equal to 0.2 into normal reaction. How much is it? 8 Newton. So at the limiting case, when I apply force on this body, friction will act in opposite direction for the lower body and same direction for the upper body, because friction will help the 4 kg body to move. So what is the acceleration of the 4 kg body? 2 meter per second square. That means if they want to move together, then maximum possible acceleration is how much? Is 2 meter per second square. So if we write the equation of motion of the lower body, it will be what? F minus h is equal to mass into acceleration. F is how much? 12. So this is the maximum possible force which we can apply on the lower body. If I apply a force greater than this, what will happen? 2 kg will move easily, but 4 kg cannot move like that. So there will be sliding between them. So maximum force on the lower body is possible how much? 4 Newton. Let's come to the upper body. Let I apply force on the upper body. This is what F. Then friction will help the motion of the 2 kg, but oppose the motion of the 8 kg, 4 kg power. So tell me, if 8 Newton force is applied on 2 kg body, what will be the acceleration? 4 meter per second square. That means if they move together, they will move with a common acceleration of 4 meter per second square. So F minus h is equal to what? Mass into acceleration. F is equal to how much? 24. So this is the F max. So this is the F max on the lower body. And this is the F max on the upper body. Is it okay? Got it? And we have a shortcut, we can do it directly. Let me explain how can we do directly. So I am applying a force on 2 kg body. I am applying a force on 2 kg body. Why 4 kg is moving? Due to friction. What is the maximum value of the friction? 8 Newton. Maximum value of friction is 8 Newton. So if 8 Newton I apply on 4 kg, what will be the acceleration? 2 meter per second square. If 8 Newton is applied on 4 kg, acceleration is how much? 2 meter per second square. So if they want to move together, they should move with the same acceleration. Right? Now tell me, what is the total mass? 6 kg. They want to move with how much acceleration? 2 meter per second square. So tell me, 6 kg mass moving with 2 meter per second square, force required is how much? 12 Newton. Let's come to the second one. We have applied force on 4 kg. Who is moving the 2 kg body? Friction. What is the maximum friction? 8. So what is the maximum acceleration of the 2 kg body? 8 by 2, that is 4 meter per second square. Now if they want to move together, they will move with 4 meter per second square. Greater than that is not possible. In that case, sliding will start. Now 6 kg mass moving with 4 meter per second square. What is the required force? 24 Newton. So friction, maximum force on the upper body possible is how much? 24. We can do like this. If by chance the applied force is greater than the maximum force, what happens? The body on which we apply the force, that body can move easily. But the other body cannot move like that. So there will be sliding between them. So this F max is the limiting force. If I apply a force greater than this, there will be sliding. If I apply a force less than this, there is no sliding. They will move together. So this is the basic of friction, how friction force acts between two bodies when both of them are traveling. Okay. Okay, thank you.